Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to insert a coffee pod in an Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. I've had this coffee machine for a very, very long time, and I've done other videos on it in the past, but I figured I would do a very simplistic and basic video showing you how to insert a coffee pod into a machine just like this. So what I have here is a coffee pod, and as you can see, the way that it is shaped and the way that it is designed shows that it is for the Nespresso Vertuoline machine. Okay, so it's gonna fit. I almost lost it. It's gonna fit perfectly right in there. I mean, I wouldn't have actually lost it. I wouldn't have actually lost it in the sense that I wasn't able to find it because I'm in my basement bathroom right now. So obviously I'd just be able to pick it up. But I meant I almost lost it. When I said, "Ooh, I almost lost it," I meant that I almost dropped it, right? I would obviously be able to pick it back up. But anyways, I did indeed catch it because I have reflexes like a tiger. So with that being said, we're going to continue on with the video tutorial. You can see right over here, it is designed to fit exactly in this machine, okay? So it's very, very simple. And I know that there are a lot of newer style virtual machines, and this is an older one, but I figured this is the one that I have, so I would do a tutorial on it. So it's very, very easy to do. At the top over here, I'm just going to place the coffee pod down, and I'll give you a better look. At the top over here, you have a lever, and on this side, you can see it says locked, so go that way to lock it, and this way it shows unlocked, go this way to unlock it. We're going to go in the unlocking direction to open it up, okay? So I'm going to push the lever in the unlocking direction over here on this side to open it up just like this. So now we've opened the lid. What we're going to do next is we're going to take the coffee pod, as you can see right over here. I almost lost it again. You know what I mean when I said that. Anyways, I don't need to explain myself again. We're going to take the coffee pod, and as you can see, the way that this is shaped, it's pretty straightforward the way that you would put it in. You got the sort of the rounded part would go in there, right? This part over here. And then the lip sits on this over here. So the lip that you see sits on this part over here. So it's going to go in like this. I'm going to try and get a good grip of it. I'm going to place it in like this, okay? Just like that. Just place it nicely. Make sure it's nicely in place. And then once you've placed it down nicely, all that you're going to do is close the lid. Okay, and then it is now inserted, but obviously you got to make sure that you lock the lid. Okay, so and it's been a while since I've used this machine. I'm going to be honest with you, it's been a long while since I've used this machine. But yeah, you're going to take the lid and you're going to take the top and you're going to move it into the lock position in order to take it to the next step. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to move the lever to the lock position. And now we are ready for the next step. And that's basically it. That is how to insert a coffee pod on this Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. Really, really easy to do. I just wanted to keep the tutorial very short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.